It's time to work with the different plots that Aspen HYSYS, specifically the Petroleum Assays Manager has. So we can see them here. We got plenty of them. Let me go here. So we got the cut yields. As the name implies, it has all the cuts and will give you the yield of each cut. We can have distillation curves, which is volume, composition versus temperature. We can get any property here versus the given temperature, volume, composition. We can compare viscosity of the crude oils or the viscosity of each cut, and so on. So the interesting part is that we can work with one assay or two or more assays. So in this case, we can compare the viscosity of two different or three different assays and check out which is the convenient one. Or maybe distillation columns, distillation curves, which is the most convenient one for us. First one will be cut yield, as stated before. The y-axis is either weight, volume, or mole composition versus the x-axis, which will be the parts per million or the fraction or the grams per kilogram. Let's check out here. As you can see, the first cut will be the off gases. Second one will be light naphtha. Third one will be heavy naphtha. As you can see, this is a very light material because it doesn't have that much gas oil or residue. The distillation curve will show, well, essentially how the volume changes with respect to temperature. As we increase the temperature, the composition must increase. So of course, if you want to get rid of the 50% of the composition in a flash, you will want to get 50 go as a gas and 50 as a liquid. Well, let's check out. 50 will be about this point. So the flash must operate at about 100 is about 50 Celsius. So if we operated this mixture, the flash at 50 Celsius will separate 50% of the liquid and 50% of the gas. We can also work with properties, and I'm pretty sure that we got at least 100 properties. In this case, I chose the density of the fluid or the crude oil versus the temperature. Now this is tricky because as we increase temperature, of course you will expect to have the residual right here. So that's why we have a higher density. But for gases, we will have a very low temperature and a very low density, as you will expect it. We can also work with viscosity plots, and viscosity plots are interesting in order to compare how you will be flowing such crude oil in pipes and how it will be in volatility material, how viscous it is, and so on. So we can compare. In this specific case, I have two species. One species here. The second one is the orange one. It's more complete. The famous P&A is essentially how the crude oil is comparing paraffin, naphthalene, and aromatics. Recall that these are the three great groups, and paraffins, naphthalenes, aromatics, and well, maybe you can even find out the, well, you can't, well, the cyclo material. And in the next workshop, we will be working with the plots of one assay. So check it out, see how we use the cut yield, distillation, property, viscosity, and so on. This is very interesting because we will be working with actual results of our previous data.